Welcome, this is a video of Jumbo Game Developer. Today is going to be a quick tutorial. It's about running Godot without graphics card. I will actually recommend you to use graphics card, but if you can't buy one, so you'll need to use the method that I'll give you in this video. Right now, let me show you what to do if you don't have a graphics card and you want to run Godot. This is what you will see if you open a blank project. You would saw a tutorial on YouTube and what called you have saw he is using mesh instance and he added a cube mesh and he is white, his one is white like this and your one is black. And if your one is black, it means you don't have a graphics card which supports the the graphics that Godot supports. Godot needs at least OpenGL ES 2.0 and recommended is Vulkan renderer. I mean, you can also use OpenGL ES 3.0 to run Godot in 3D. You can run Godot 2D without a graphics card actually, but in case of 3D, if you don't have a graphics card that doesn't support OpenGL ES 2 at least, so it will look like this black color your mesh, and if you play it you will see this problem right now, and it's saying that our graphics card doesn't support the OpenGL ES renderer, so it can't run it. So what to do? You should actually, in case of this, install a graphics card, but you can't buy one if you don't have enough money. Graphics cards costs a lot of money, and which even I myself can't buy graphics card. I recommend you to use graphics card, but okay, I will also use a graphics card actually one day, but I don't have enough money to buy right now. I will buy later, of course, in this month or later after 1 month, whatever. If you want to use Godot before buying graphics card, you can use my method that I'll do right now, and that is downloading a DLL called OpenGL DLL. You will find its link in description. It wasn't public in my Google Drive, but I have published it right now. For some reasons I wasn't able to enable that DLL on Google Drive to public, but now I know how to solve that, and I solved it and it is available to public. Go to the link of description and download that DLL. After downloading the DLL, you will see something like this, OpenGL32 DLL. This is that file, and what you will need to do is actually just copy it. Oh, you should also close Godot before using it. I am quitting this. Wait, I will want to show you as a present, so let me delete it first. Quit the editor. You need to restart the Godot editor for this. Then go to the root folder where your Godot is installed. This is the root folder where Godot is installed on my PC. Not installed, it doesn't actually require install. Godot doesn't require installation. And what you'll need to do, you'll need to copy and paste that DLL to here where you have put at your Godot, and now it will magically work. Let me show you if it does. Let me open that same project again, and it will take some time, I think, to load, because you aren't using graphics card. Instead of you are using your CPU as the graphics card. Here you can see OpenGL 3, and I'm opening that map, and now you are going to see that it actually works. Now it magically just comes with white color. It was black before, now you can see it is white because our renderer is able to rendering now with that DLL. Our cube is going to be rendered with GLES method, and you can also run this. Let me show you. To render, I actually need to use a camera, and let's see where it is looking at. Yeah, it's looking on here. First of all, save this first, then run it, and you will not get that error that you have got before. Here you can see our cube is getting rendered and the error that you got before is gone. You can now run Godot. So that's all for today. If you want to do the same thing running Blender without of graphics card, tutorial video link for that is in description too. If this video helped you, please give it a like. If this method is working with you, I'm sure it will of course work because it worked in my computer. Whatever, comment below if it's working to you. Share this video if you want to help me to get more views. You might question me what this DLL does. Well, I am not sure how it works, but I think it makes your CPU work like a GPU, or it's too possible that already you have a GPU. Windows of course requires a GPU to run. I am talking about the GPU, and the DLL that we use here may use that GPU for OpenGL rendering or anything more. Let me know in the comments if you know what actually happens with this. I just saw somewhere on Google or where, I don't remember where I saw about this DLL. Maybe, okay, whatever, comment anything. For now, it's all I'm going to say about. Subscribe to get weekly tutorials on game development. For now, stay safe, stay healthy, happy game developing, bye.